like my potatoes mashed.
How do you like your potatoes?
Anyway.
How do you like your potatoes?
I like my potatoes mashed.
How do you like your potatoes?
Right like this, baked.
Baked potatoes are really good, but have you ever wondered how they go from farm to table? Let's take a trip to Master's Potato Farm and find out.
We will see how to turn dirty russet potatoes into easy bakables.
Dirty russet potatoes are brought to the factory on tractor trailers.
Then they are dumped into the surge tank where they are washed.
Next, the exeter is used to sort the size and type of the potatoes.
When the potatoes are sorted, they usually pick the potatoes around 11 to 8.5 ounces. They are then placed into a separate bin that lead into the basement hopper.
Then they go across a second washer to get any extra dirt or debris off of the potatoes.
Next, the pickers will pick out any potatoes with imperfections and throw them into a separate bin.
They then go up to the tank and then are placed on the bakeable line one at a time.
Next, as they go through the line, they will go through the oven, which will shrink wrap a protective coating around the potatoes to be sold.
Then they add their signature sticker.
Then they are added to a box and shipped out to grocery stores to be sold.
So what is so cool about manufacturing potatoes?
Well, not only does Master's Potato Farm highlight the importance of high quality, they also are a key contributor to the community.
And don't forget they are not limited to just baked potatoes. There are many different kinds available in stores all over the United States.